My praise na master key. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. My matter don't change level. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. God bless you. Please kindly like, share, comment. Let me know where you are watching from. It means a whole lot to me. Please do that. God bless you. Rose is also available to support the platform. If you feel blessed and you want to support the platform, go ahead and do that. It also means a whole lot to me. Then the title for this one is My Matter Don't Change Level. My Matter Don't Change Level. Don't forget DJ Jerryman live in the studio with original song made available in all music app stores that you can listen to, with so many albums there that you can actually access. DJ Jerryman is the artist, and I have a lot of albums there already, like Nama Papa on the World, Time No Be Money, Praise Where They Break Gate, He Stand in My Tomorrow, and like that. So I can't actually play all of them here at the same time, because now I am dealing basically with praises now. I can't mix it up with worship. Sometimes I come up like this with only worship. So for you to have your own choice, listen to the best of your own choice at your own convenience, you can actually access any of the platform to listen to them, and I believe it will bless your life as well. God bless you. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. The title for this one is My Matter Don't Change Level. My Matter Don't Change Level. Let's check it out. God bless you. Remain connected. The best is yet to come.
In a glory enter. Enemy plan my stagnation, Papa I accelerate. Before them calculate my blessings, now promotion down.